What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Smooth Love Potion SLP, which has hit another huge green candlestick over the last 24 hours. And yes guys, it has pumped up over 63% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through where is this crypto heading to next, why has it had a sudden pump. As you guys can see, over the week over 100%, most of it coming from the last 48 hours. So we're going to be going through for both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy it? Is it way too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? Potentially, as you guys can see here, we are looking at the Fibonacci scale heading into the green zone. Is that a possibility? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and look at its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from SLP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, that does not mean that it's going to start dropping in value right now. What is likely to take place is an overall increase in value over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, making it drop in value at a slightly lower value than its current price range. Again, do expect quite a wave up and then back down, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. However guys, don't let this fool you, because the crypto has pumped up quite a bit over the last 48 hours, as you guys saw, over 100%. So there is a chance that it is overvalued and maybe in for a little bit of a dip, but I will be going through all of that stuff later on in the video. So let's zoom in into the hourly chart over the next couple of days. What can we see here? We're still not looking too great. We got the blue and the orange line still looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So by the end of next week, Smooth Love Potion should again be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Most of it is due to the major pump that's taken place over the last day or two. However, do expect more red days by next week guys, because the crypto is overvalued and is likely to go for a little bit of a price correction by mid to end of next week, meaning it should have dropped back down in value at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Where I'm expecting it to drop down to is just around here. 0.006 cents is where I'm expecting SLP to be trading at by the end of next week. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we have taken a complete U-turn here. We've got the blue and the orange now looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, due to the fact of how steep it's looking, this is not realistic, because again, I'm not expecting the crypto to be pumping at that pace quite continuously over the next 6 to 8 weeks, because that is not realistic at all. So by mid to late April 2024, I'm expecting SLP to have once again gone for an overall drop in value, potentially down to around 0.0055 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So let me go in a little bit more detail on what I'm expecting. Mid to late March, I'm expecting it to go for a price correction, dropping down to around 0.0035 cents, and then slowly starting to gain value in April, May, heading to around 0.0045 to 0.005 cents in value. So again, quite of a wave, dips and then peak back up in value, but the overall outcome from this point onwards seems to be more on the negative side due to the major pump that's taken place since about early February. For just under a month, as you guys can see, it has been more or less hitting green candles quite continuously. So heading into the Fibonacci scale here, we can see the crypto is trading at its resistance level, and it has resisted, which is pretty good because majority of the cryptocurrencies these days just break out without no resistance, which makes it not sustainable. However, this crypto has proved that it is sustainable because of how it has been performing, and the fact that it has resisted as well does help the situation. So what I'm expecting it to do is drop back down into the red zone, guys, over the coming week or two, going through a price correction. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,100% in the last 24 hours, making it $430 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is it is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So of course it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, and hence why the value of SLP is also pumping higher than where it was about 3-4 days ago. So before I go any further, just a little announcement, guys, for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market other than my YouTube channel. I do have a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, using discount code DEC10 you get 50% off for as long as you remember to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only as well. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. Just to give you guys a brief explanation as to what happens once you sign up is you get put into two group chats. The first one is a chat where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind I'm a long-term trader. And the second chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, mainly on Bitcoin, what to expect and what to predict. And you guys can also ask me questions on analysis and predictions on different cryptocurrencies, which I will also provide in the group chat. Again, don't worry about the figures here. This screenshot is nearly 2 years old, but you get the gist of what happens, guys. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to SLP. So a lot of people have been saying the crypto is bound to hit the 1 cent target over the coming weeks and days as well. However, well, it could hit it. However, it's not going to last because it should go for a price correction, dropping down in value. So let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting SLP to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.